Alright, so this will be the training for adding content and setting up campaigns inside of a UAW, which is Unique Article Wizard. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the browser, type in the link that is provided. Once you get there, this is a login page. You'll put you put the name and the password that will be provided um, per job. Once you put this information in there, you click on login. This portal is pretty busy, but the only thing you are concerned with will be this tab and this tab. And let me show you. This tab here, these are all the different ways you actually, from easy wizard, easy one step, easy step by step, easy step, wizard. Those four are the four methods in which you create an article. For what we're going to be doing, you will always pick one step wizard. You will never change or do anything else. Manage articles. In this section here, the only thing you care about will be listing projects. Alright, I'll show you. I'll show you a list of all the current projects that's running, that's not running, and that has been sent but are in a mode to be fixed, meaning that it was declined by the network. Okay, so let's begin. You'll click on submit article. Click on one step. When this comes up here, all this information will be provided. The only thing you will be really having to do would be project main, verify this matches what has been sent to you. There's a drop down that you can go in here and you can see the different projects. Author, this again will be provided to you. You'll copy and paste the authors here. You'll take the last one and paste it here. And then you'll have the remaining authors here. The next step will be articles. There's 3 fields that you would have to paste the article in. This also will be provided to you. Now the data would be in a form called spun or spin text. You are not required to really understand that, but the better you do, it would be more, actually it'll make you more valuable to our campaign. But as of right now, this here, all 3 of these will be provided to you. You copy and paste. The only other thing outside of pasting the content into these fields will be here. The word count, the word count you really don't want to focus on, but the paragraph, you want to make sure the paragraphs are the same in each category. Once that's done, then you scroll down to the next field, extra titles. This will be provided for you also. You'll copy and paste in here. You scroll down, resource box. This will be a set. This will be a set of six sentences that has the keywords and information we need to be distributed among the article network. You'll copy and paste that in here also. The next field is substitution keywords. You will skip this. Nothing goes here. Category tags. This is where the keywords or tags I give you will be plugged in here. These 3 boxes should be filled or already selected for you. This is another thing I need you to pay attention to. If they are not selected, you must contact me immediately. Let me know so we can fix this. Also, the submission. This should always be set to 10. If it's not set to 10, then let me know. Or if you change it to 10, just make sure you give me a notification and let me know. That way we can make sure we keep all our stuff constant. This here will be the date that you actually working in. If the date is May the 26th, but you actually got the article on May the 28th, you can leave this for the current. I should submit, but if it does not, as you can see, if you highlight it, if you click on it, you can change it to the correct date. Again, if it's not correct, let me know and we'll fix that. And then the last thing you'll just do is click Update and Preview. This way the system can go through and double check and make sure everything's in the right spot. Make sure it's be acceptable to be transmitted over to the network. If not, at the top here, it will provide you with an error. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through and I'm going to actually do one, create one of these for you. The one we'll do the Charlotte chiropractor submission 2. Right now I'm doing submission 2 articles. So I come here, it should have been already in here. So you'll type in, oh, there it is there. Since it's just a template, it will not be up here. So when I send you the document, you'll have the name of each one, and then you'll just type it in here and it'll automatically populate. And that's only because we pre-created it. The next thing is, let me grab my data. One second here. All right. Every project you get, the data will come to you. It'll be round, and then then it'll be zipped up. But I will start labeling it the name of the project so you'll know what it is. For example, going forward, this should have been, let's rename it to what it is. Oops. Actually, go here. It will be called Charlotte Chiropractor Submission 2. Okay, this will be it will be named the campaign that you will be working on or the project that you'll be working on. Once you open it up, you will have all of these files pre-generated and created for you. So let's go down the list and fill out this template or go through this one step-by-step wizard to get the project going. First thing is first, you type in the name of the project, which should pretty much be there because it's going to match what you have, which is the name of your file or folder that you'll be working within. The next thing would be Arthur. You will, let me put it here. You have a folder, a file with 200 names in it. You'll copy it. You'll paste the names into, okay, so we'll copy all names and then we'll paste them into the name field. We'll take the last name and paste it into new. And of course we come back and backstroke to make it clear. Now the next step is the article. Again, we'll go into here where it says stress, it'll say actually UAW spun. You'll open that up, and then you can just copy the entire article, right? And then you would paste it here. You'll paste the article here. Well, actually, you'll have 3 sets of articles, so this would be 1, and then it'll be 2 and 3, and then you'll paste all 3 in here. You paste all 3 in here. What you looking for? The word count might be different, but you want to at least make sure the paragraphs are the same. All right. Say paragraph 6, paragraph 6, paragraph 6. Then you'll scroll down to the title. Titles again is already done. You'll double click on it. You'll copy it. You'll paste the title into the title field. Then that'll be done. The next step would be the resource box. It'll be the name of the project that you're working on. You double click on it. You'll copy it all. And then you will just go ahead and paste it in there. And then now you have the resource box done, the titles done, the articles done, the name is done, and you also have the project name. So now let's do the last piece, which is the tag. Open the tag up, copy the tag out, should be 10 of them. If it's more than 10, remove the last set to make sure it comes to the number 10. You'll paste that into here, and then as you see, everything is done. I'll go slower. So now you go down to the bottom. This particular one, for some reason, this is not there, but since it's chiropractic, I'm gonna go into it. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna put family here. I'm gonna put health here, and then I'm gonna put home and family. Yeah, I'm gonna put health and fitness. And then I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna plug in the number 10. I want 10 submissions per day. And then after that, I'll hit upload and preview. This is what you'll do. And as you can see, I will have you're gonna see an article, it's gonna have an image in there. It's gonna have videos in there. I'm gonna fix that, but it'll have a video in there. And then this is the entire content of the article, as you can see. And then you just hit exit article, and if everything is done correctly, then the next thing you do, you send it. You hit OK to that. And then as you can see, it found some errors. But for conversation purposes, this won't be here because everything should be in order and it'll be submitted. But if this is here, just contact me until you get to the point of understanding this. But just to show you a little piece of it is, one, it tells you the content forbidden, the unmatched curly bracket is reserved, is in the article. So inside the articles, I have unmatched curly brackets. So if I click on troubleshoot for HTML, it opens up another tab. You go back to the original tab. I can go into here, get the body, and then I can go to the new tab, paste it in here, hit check, and in here, this is how you can actually go in through and determine whether or not it's working or not. And that's pretty much would be it. Again, go back. You'll create from one stop wizard. You'll populate all the fields. You will upload and verify and then submit. If you have any other questions, anything else other than that, just contact me and let me know.